welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our last question in this chapter, eighth one. A solid metallic sphere of diameter 28 centimeter is melted and recast a number of smaller cones. So here, this sphere is casted into smaller cones like this. Let's take it that one as it is. And what you can say, each of diameter 2 by 3 centimeter and height is 3 centimeters. So let's take first one, sphere diameter. So what is this diameter will be equal to? This is the diameter, that will be equal to 28 centimeter. Then what is its radius? So this is the radius. Radius will be equal to half of the diameter. So that will be equal to 28 by 2, that is. So what we can say here is 28 by 2. What is that? 14 centimeter is the radius. Then what you can say here, we have know that each diameter of the cone. So let's take it, this is the diameter of the cone and this is the height of the cone. So let's write it, what is the diameter? The diameter of the cone is 2 by 3 centimeter. Then the height will be equal to 3 centimeter. Then find the number of cones so formed. So what we can say, the formula will be, as I told, first write n into volume of each cone. So volume of each cone. So first, each one how many means, which one is produced, which one came from. Then what is this one? Volume of sphere. So volume of sphere. That will be, volume will not going to change based on the sphere calculations. So first one, volume of sphere, let's going to calculate volume of sphere. So this is the formula of which we need to calculate it. So volume of sphere will be equal to, what is that? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 means, right, like that only. Pi is 22 by 7. R cube. R is what? 14 cube. So that is the value. 14 cube. Let's going to write it as it is. So let's keep on this. Can you calculate it anything here? So 4 into 22 by 3 into 7 into 14 into 14 into 14. So 7 ones are, then 7 twos are. Is there any other way to calculate it? No. So 4 into 22 into, what you can say, 4 into 22 into 2 into 14 into 14. If you multiply all these values, top one, we will get it as 34,496 by 3. So is there any possibility to cancel with the 3? No, it's not possible. Let's keep it this one as it is, that is centimeter cube. So whatever final values we can calculate it, final one, that time you can easily take out. Then what is this? Volume of the cone. So volume of cone will be equal to, that is 1/3 of volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h. Then what is the radius here? Since radius will be equal to, what is that? D by 2. So let's keep it, this D is nothing but 3 into 4 plus 2 by 3. So 12 plus 2 will be 14 by 3. So this is 14 by 3. 14 by 3 by 2. So radius, let's take it here, radius, diameter by 2, that is 14 by 3 by 2. We will get it as 14 by 3 into 2. That will be equal to 14 by 6 centimeter. So radius will be equal to 14 by 6 centimeter. You can cancel this, 2 3s are, then 2 7s are 14. That is 7 by 3. Radius of the cone is 7 by 3. So we are calculated here. Let's move on to this. Then 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 3 into 7 by 3. Why? Because to square. Then height is also equal to 3. Let's going to cancel all these values. Here 1 7, here 1 7, 3 3 will going to cancel. Then is there any possibilities? No. So what is the value? 22 into 7 by. So let's going to take 22 into 7. What is that? So that is the value here, 22 into 7 by 3 into 3, we will get it as 22 into 7. So we are already taken this one, this formula we are extending, 22 into 7 by 3 into 3. So what is the value here? The value will be equal to, so 22 into 7, 154 by 9. So then n will be equal to, what is that? Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. Here n is nothing but number of such cones for that. Then volume of cone. Volume of each cone. So this is the value. So volume of the sphere is nothing but what? So we got it as volume of 34,496 by 3. 34,496. 34,496 by 3 whole divided by volume of each cone, that is nothing but 154 by 9. 154 by 9. Let's take it this one, 34,496 by 3. It will going to reciprocate, that is 154. 3 ones are, then 3 threes are. Then what is that? So can we calculate it with this? 15 and 4 not possible. Let's going to cancel with 2. 2 sevens are 14 again. 2 sevens are 14. So 77. So 154 by 2 if you do means 77. Then again go with 3. So 2 ones are 2, then 1 will be 2 sevens are, then 4 will be 2 twos are, then 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are. So that will be equal to. So is there any possibility to cancel with 1 7 2 4 8 by 11? Yes, is that possibility to cancel? Yes, we can cancel it. Let's going to write this one, 17248 into 3 by 77. So 11 sevens are, then 11 ones are, then what is that? What answer we will get it? 11 ones are 62, fives are, then 62 minus 5 7 74, then 66, then again it will come it as 8 1 5 6 8. Again is that possibility to go with 7? Yes, you can cancel. So 7 ones are, 7 twos are 14, then 1 will be 7 twos are again 14, then 2 will be 7 fours are 18. So 224 into 3. So 224 into 3 is nothing but, what is that? 672. So 672, we got it. So what is the answer here is, let's find out this one. Number of cones, therefore, number of cones will be equal to 672. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thanks to watching our videos.